guys.
Sir, can you help me?
Napasok ko dito.
It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep.
Ito yung
Is there somewhere you can tell
susiyan ng
me?
motor guys.
He walks on, doesn't look
Yung
back.
switch ng kulay itim.
He pretends he can't hear her.
Dito naman po yung
Starts to whistle as he crosses
yan
the
sa
street.
may ilaw guys.
Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh,
Lagyan ko ng white
think
guys.
twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you, you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
Papunta doon sa battery. Papunta doon sa minus and plus. Yan, negative and negative. Ayan guys, pinagdugtong ko doon. Ayan, tapos na guys. Testing natin guys. Ayun. Hello guys. Hi. Ayan. Malakas oh. Okay, kita yung multo. Ngayon guys. Hanggang dito na lang.